SISI is down 45.96% in the pre-market session of today, the 30th of May 2025. We haven't found any news behind this plunge. This is probably a new 52-week low that is currently printing. Let's see now. We have been able to get Claude to digest some things about SISI. So it says that looking at SISI's technical data, this presents a compelling but high risk contrarian opportunity. Okay, so current situation, um, 47% plunge or thereabouts on massive volume over 295,000 shares versus typical. All the moving averages remain well above the current price. Extreme oversold condition with potential mean reversion setup. Price pressure momentums, all of them measuring the angle of attack of the various moving averages. They are all in let's see now. Negative derivatives suggest the selling pressure is accelerating across all time frames. Yes, so all the derivatives of those moving averages of the price pressure momentums are negative, suggesting that selling pressure is in effect. Probabilistic assessment, bullish factors, 30% probability. So extreme oversold bounce potential. The forecast is suggests a recovery towards the 0.58 and 0.72 range. High volume suggests a possible capitulation. Okay, 70% probability of it maintaining the bearish situation. All price pressure momentums are in severe decline, far below maintenance threshold, meaning they're not consolidating, they're still declining. No pivot support levels identified. Continued institutional selling pressure likely. Short-term trade setup. Okay, this is not recommended. If trading, this is not recommended at all. So entry point will be 0.35 to 0.37 range, which is around the current levels. Let's get yeah, that's his current levels. But this is not a recommendation that you should buy. And then stop loss will be zero point 0.3, 10% below the current entry. And then target, you'll be targeting, if you enter, you'll be targeting 0.45. Then second target will be 0.58. Let's see now, risk to reward is 1 to 3. And trading recommendation, avoid the stock if you don't know what to do in. Just strictly avoid it completely. Reasons to avoid: liquidity risk, 8.9 million float is 8.9 million shares floated with 295,000 volume suggests potential manipulation. But obviously, this is the pre-market session where the market opens. It might be totally different. So, no technical support. All moving averages falling. No pivot points. Fundamental unknown for 47% crash suggests severe business issues. And then high probability of further decline. Price pressure momentum derivatives indicate accelerating selling. So better strategy will be wait for stabilization signs like price pressure momentum values moving towards maintenance mode, which will be from 0.15 to negative 0.15 to negative 0.24, or when the price must have would have cleared the pivot support formation, or rather when you see a clear pivot support formation before considering entering. So this appears to be a knife falling situation where catching it could result in significant losses. The risk reward profile heavily favors staying away until clearer reversal signs emerge. So let's see now. This is the 4-hour chart. This the algos are suggesting that a swift reversal it may print out, may pan out, but we can't rely on that. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. So let's see now what we can get in terms of projections. Not everything is okay. We just have an upper projection, slight upper projection, 0.4953. Yeah, let's have a look at the 3-hour chart. On the 3 hour chart as well, we have a swift reversal extrapolated. No guarantee that that will be the case as well. 0.4953 is the upper projection here. Not very long ago, we had other much more ambitious upper projections, but the stock wasn't down by as much then. We had 0.4953, 0.5382, 0.6078. Okay, let's look at the 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, what do we have? We have upper projection of 0.4953. Not very long ago, we had same projection 0.4953, 0.5382, 0.6078. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Yeah, swift reversal is also extrapolated as well. Upper projection is 0.6548. Yeah, no news is out there concerning this decline. We haven't seen any news, and not everybody can participate right now in this pre-market session. There's a good chance we may see a decent amount of liquidity because it's a penny stock. The cheaper it is, the more the volume is. It tends to be like that, you know. So it could be worse than this. It could be worse than this, you know. So you can see 466. It could be worse than this. Okay, let's see now. This is the let's come back to the 4 hour chart and get the volume for this session. Okay, it has increased now to 325,000. So yeah, we're counting and growing. Okay, just be careful out there. See what you make of SISI stock. The recommendation is to avoid the stock, and it's not recommended that you get involved. Totally avoid it. So thank you very much for watching this video.